Hey everybody, it's Andrew. As you know, one of my favorite things are courses within Go High Level, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can attach a payment structure to your courses using offers. We're going to be doing this within the membership section of High Level, so let's dive right in. Creating an offer is as easy as navigating to memberships, then navigating to courses, and going to offers. Here's where we can create and manage all of our offers for our courses. Now, our courses are going to be anything that we create under products. So before you create an offer, make sure you have at least one product on this screen. And we're going to be using these to create our offer, which is just going to be the way that we'll structure payment for our customers to buy our courses. Back on the offer screen, we can create an offer by clicking Create Offer in the top right-hand side, then giving our offer a title. And then here we can select that product from our list of products that we've already created. We can select just one, or we can select multiple products if we would like to include multiple within this offer. So that way people can pay once and they can get access to all the courses that they need. Then we'll designate a type, whether it's going to be free, one-time paid, or recurring. And then we can designate our amounts. For recurring, we'll designate an amount here, then select if it's going to be monthly, daily, weekly, yearly, or custom. Then we can select a trial period, say how many payments they need to have. For example, let's say we're offering a $300 course, but we're offering it with a payment plan of $97 a month for 3 months. We would select here 3 payments of $97 a month. Then we can also add a setup fee if we need to. This is just going to be a one-time fee charged at the beginning. And then we can switch this from test to live and click create. Other pricing structures are a little bit more simple, such as one-time, in which we just add a one-time amount, or free, in which there's no amount and the course is free. Keep in mind, even with free courses, they will have to opt in with their name and email and such, as we can designate on our checkout screen. Then we'll be navigated to our offer screen, where we can edit things like the title, the description, the pricing, whether it's drafted or published, offer access, so we can allow access at a specific date or restrict access to a certain amount of days, and then we can select the included products here. We can also add a thumbnail on the right-hand side, navigate upsells, which we'll go over in another video. We can get our link by clicking Get Link, and then we can copy this and share this with our customers. On this screen, we can also preview and delete the offer under More Actions. We can edit our checkout screen by navigating to Edit Checkout, and this is where we can change what type of information we're going to be asking for, the branding, things like this banner right here, and we can edit all of this from the left-hand side. Under Offer Details, we can designate the images, the height, and any additional content that we want to include on this page. Under Extra Contact Information, we can select if we want to collect an address or collect a phone number, and once we save, you'll see these changes reflect live on the right-hand side, just like that. And additionally, we can change our service agreement. If we want to add a service agreement, we can make it required or create a custom agreement right here that customers will have to agree to before purchasing your offer. When we're all good to go, we can preview this or get our link in the top right-hand side, and we can see exactly what this will look like to a customer so they can purchase your course, automatically get access to it, and start learning right within your platform. This infrastructure is a great way to generate additional revenue, get new customers into new products using courses, and help educate your audience using Go High Level. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you so much for watching.